Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to another Crypto Jet video where today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Idex and the decentralized exchange of our generation. Now, let's get right into it. This is the world's most advanced cryptocurrency exchange. That's what they say. Let's see what it actually has from features. We covered this briefly in the previous video, but let's go through them straight away anyways. If you enjoy the content, do not forget to follow the drill and leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Now, it is a high-performance trading engine, low latency, guaranteed trade execution. Obviously, you can set any type of orders and use the polished UI of their system. I'm going to show you that. By many type of orders, they mean market orders, limit orders, buy orders, sell orders, and more. Now, one of the key benefits to this system is you don't actually have to give your money to a centralized server or entity to hold your money while you're in the exchange. So if you go to a bank, the bank is holding your money and they're using your money. If you go to a normal exchange, for example, like Bitstamp, your money is going to be gone. So this is not a sure thing, but it has happened in the past that centralized exchanges actually did go down for fraud after stealing millions and millions of dollars of people's money. So what does Idex do? They actually use smart contracts to secure your money on your own wallet. So nobody has a control over your money but you. That's why this exchange is so good in its fundamentals. Now, the only thing separating it from an actual exchange that is one of the best in the world is simple volume. It's simply not enough people know about this yet. Now, you can stake your Idex and earn up to 50% of the fees for contributing. Everyone wins. It's expanding to more blockchains. We've covered all of this. And here's a bit about the technicals, about the actual technology used. But we're not going to go into depth here. We're just going to take a look at the actual exchange. Here is Idex. So on the exchange, we can actually notice a few different things. We can first of all see on the right side every single trade that's going through, as well as every single order set on the network. Now, there is a buy and a sell order book. If I want to buy a coin, I'm going to go to one of the people who are actually selling it. So I'm going to press on this order and I'm going to press buy Idex, and I'm hoping to be quicker. Sorry, I don't have an account. You can connect your wallet, obviously, and then be able to buy it very quickly. Different types of wallets, Wallet Connect. You can have a ledger as well. You can have a Trezor, key store file. These are a lot of different ways to actually secure your cryptocurrencies. So the point is, it's a decentralized exchange. So every single transaction here that you see, it is literally somebody on another computer who put their coins to be sold. That's it. That is simply how this exchange works. You can go here and check out many different markets. A lot of them are being currently displayed at 0% 24-hour change, which is probably because the volume is so low, because not a lot of people actually use this exchange yet, because unfortunately it is simply just not in mainstream use. They have not upgraded enough. They don't have enough funding to make it the best possible version of itself. Now, some things that are very similar. Currently, we're looking at an Idex towards an Ethereum chart. The reason why the graphs look so messed up is simply because of the lower trading volumes. See, if I go into an 1 hour chart, you can actually see a bunch of just nobody knows what that is. Even on the 6 hour chart, it's looking a bit dry. That's why we're gonna go on the daily, and we can see Idex versus Ethereum in the past year or so, even more than that. We can see a recent upswing in the price. We can see that the price is actually growing, but the volume on the exchange is not actually growing at the moment. So we're going to see what happens with this actual exchange. The project is there. The idea is there. People will not want to have somebody else controlling their money for the whole entire forever, basically. So financial institutions will find some, how should I say this, competition in the future throughout decentralized exchanges like these. Now, if Idex doesn't make it, somebody else might make it, but it has to be one or the other. So You can plot down zones of resistance, zones of support. You can write text. You can use your trend lines. You can do pretty much whatever you can on Binance or on TradingView. It's a very similar sort of layout. I believe they actually do use the TradingView plugin for these actual charts, but that's about it. Now you can go to the rewards section and you can see when they're giving out coins, when there are, see there's a staking going on, and every 2 weeks you get paid in actual trading fees. So half of the fees from the network go to you. These are the total Idex in staking circulation. These are the complete number of nodes, which is people acting as these sort of central signal senders and receivers. And you can always view your rewards, claim them. That's about it about this Idex exchange. I hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.